Welcome to my second season and ride through South America. The last bits of preparation for the next adventure took place 2 hours from Hamburg in Germany. Tire change. We had our new tires delivered to one of the places called Reifen.com. To have the tire change done, we had to take them off on our own. 2 hours later, we were able to ride with our new Michelin Anarchy Wild. The motorcycles are ready for their trip, which starts via in-time at Ducati in Hamburg. We unplugged the battery, prepared the bike for its lonely trip, and packed our carry-ons. A few hours later, we took off to Bogota, Colombia. We stayed in a small but cozy apartment for a week, exploring the vibrant city, enjoying international cuisine, because soon there will be no choices, and waiting for the motorcycles to arrive. Five days after our arrival, the motorcycles landed in Bogota, and the customs took way longer than I thought. Lucky us, we knew about Veronica from Cargo Riders in Bogota. She and her team were a great support. They took us to the customs, arranged all the papers, waited, fought, and hoped with us for hours and hours and days. And finally, our motorcycles were in front of us. We checked them, plugged in the battery, prepared them for the short ride to our accommodation, and still, Cargo Riders was with us, making sure everything was okay. And off we went. After 11 hours at customs the first day and another 5 hours the second, we finally left this place on our motorcycles. We were free. Getting stuck in traffic probably never felt better. we are starting another adventure tomorrow. Gracias. Hasta luego. Good morning and welcome to the first day of real riding in Colombia. We are still in Bogota and we are now going to make our way towards Honda. We are going to take it easy for today. We will only ride paved roads and we want to get used to the traffic. We are at the toll station now, first time, and this is how you get past the toll station in Colombia with a moto. You just go past. Don't have to pay anything, you don't have to stop. That is quite nice. After 2 hours of riding, we just stopped to have lunch. And they were even able to prepare a vegetarian lunch for me, which is quite nice. It's not really common. That food was 15,000 Colombian pesos, which at the moment is €3.40. That was just a normal plate for the lunch, which is just some platano, rice, some vegetables. So we have approximately another 2 hours to ride. Finally getting out of these cities, which took us 2 hours, and from now on there should be less traffic, better views, more green, more hills. Yeah, the altitude of 1,100 meters, and we're still inclining. There are lots of trucks around us. The street is just in a bad condition. You have to watch out for these bigger holes in the street, and of course the trucks do too. So we're going really slowly since the road increases. This is not easy to do with the bike. Ever so often we take the risk to overtake. I think one more truck and then we should have it. Finally we are off of that road. I'm not necessarily keen on these cobblestones. We found a place to stay. It is not necessarily the nicest and not necessarily the cheapest, but it will do the job for tonight, since it was quite exhausting to ride behind all these trucks all day long, and finding a camping spot around here doesn't seem to be the easiest thing to do. Muchas gracias. So this is where the mochos will sleep tonight. That is our room. We get a fan because it's still quite hot. And we get a bathroom, which is fun and has everything we need. I was just trying to find the light, but seems like there's no light. I'm quite happy to end that day now. It was quite rough with all these trucks, and I hope tomorrow is just going to be less smoke, less trucks, and more nature. I'm looking forward to it. So, see you tomorrow.